Now we are going to open the tripod we ordered from Amazon. We are going to unbox the packet now. It's a beautiful cover. And this is a 50-inch tripod. It's from Amazon Basics. It is own manufactured from Amazon. It's Amazon Basics. You can place your DSLR here. And you can rotate like this. And you can make up and down. And this is more of plastic only. It is very delicate to use. It is for more of beginners only. But I like this product because I purchased it for $8.49 only. That too in one day I got it. But mostly everything is good. The quality, everything is fine. I like this product very much. Thanks to Amazon. And if you like my video, please subscribe. And I am giving the link below. If you like it, please purchase it. And please buy in my link. Thank you. This weight of the product not more than 300 to 350 grams, and these clips are made of pure plastics. These are very delicate. Use it very slowly or it will break. Use it very delicately. But for the beginners, this is the best I can tell you. This body is pure made of aluminium. You can see this, and this whole clips, everything pure plastic. That's it. It's very handy to use. That's it. Easy to carry. All the best.